excited. Hey Facebook and hey Instagram.
Hey Bellish, we are live.
Bellish. Ha ha ha. Bellish, you are live. You are tuning in, so you are tuning in with me right now. You hear my voice right now. I wish I can hear your voice here. Well, I can see you typing, but not your voice. Yes, I am live, Bellish. Brazil is one of ours as brand ambassadors. We have China nails _ Glitz Assassin such. We have Mika at Mika does nails. We have Hey Dom at Hey Dom do my nails. Dom, I wish you do my nails. And we have Brazil's at Belly's nails. And we have Nick's at South Salon. And then we have Isabel at Skillmatics Nails. And we have Vicky at Vicky Jensen. And we have me. I'm so excited every day to tuning in with you, share with you all different cool tip and trick. I hope each videos will help each of you achieve so many different, doesn't matter. You wanna be is better on your skills, learning from each other, or you are going to be a nail tech, or you are a glitz lover. All right, look like it's fun, and you can cut the sheet is smaller, bigger, smaller. You can do anything you want. It doesn't have to be just that, you know. You can do so many. You can do triangle, you can do oval, you can do anything you would like to. So I'm gonna add some crystals on this one. Keep up the good works. Yes. All right, so here is Crystal Bestie. As a crystal placement has so many bestie. Are you ready to see some crystal right now? Like a real crystal? I'm just kidding. It's like some. Then I might cover the fire and ice sheet though. You say, no, Nancy, stop it. Do not do it anymore. I want to see fire and ice sheet. Hey, Panda, how are you? No web top coat. Marcy, hello from Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yes, I agree. How wonderful is this to start or to end on Friday with this really great tutorial. Marshies, you get me this morning, me, Nancy, and you will get Vicky later today. It looks really dark on Facebook though. Can you do something about that? Facebook, Facebook's okay. Can you thumbs up on Facebook if you are seeing it's okay, or if it's too dark? It looks really dark on from the watching. Yeah, I like that. Should we do is neon, or maybe transcendent? So beautiful. I should leave it alone. Maybe I should do one flowers. Just kidding. Sorry. Oh, I can do this, but I don't want to do this. Girl, don't do it. Don't do it. Sneak peek part 2. Right? Brazils. All right, so let's do with a super cute. I love this. Just didn't want to put it on because then you can see the full effects of ours is fire and ice sheet. Oh my god, Brazils. I can't wait because maybe Maybe later when Vicky's go like, I'm able to pop in and share what is sneak peek of part 2. I'm working and I sneak away from my lunch break so I can do the live video and show you, because a lot of asking, a lot of messes, a lot of DM. So I'm so excited for you, for who is gonna get it on your way. Oops, sorry. Add more if you want. Some frame. Some more frame. Oh, this is gonna be so stunning. I can't wait. All right, happy here for 60 seconds.